So this is just a quick Wilko's hauls. Hello my lovelies. So we just got some bits to start our indoor growing this month. So I've got some trays, 5 of them. I've got so many of them, but hey ho, a few more won't hurt. One of these, I prefer non-plastic, but at the minute it's just doing what's easiest. And then my husband picked me up a container to put all these seeds in that I've got. So let's see what we got. Look at all these to get me started this month. So we got some jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. They will be getting started. Some sweet corn. I will be getting those started as well. I got 2 sweet corn, so let's put them there. I got some mixed peppers. Again, I can start those indoors. Peppers indoors. Tomatoes, starting those. Yay. More peppers. I didn't realise I got so many of those. Wilko's broccolis. You can tell where we've been shopping. Broccolis. Zucchinis. All getting started inside. More zucchinis. More pumpkins. More tomatoes. And this has surprised me. I can start these indoors. Some melons. Melon Melba. I think I said that right. So I've got a couple of those. That'll be fun to start. I think these are for outdoors, so when we get to the allotment we can lettuces, more lettuces, more lettuces. It says icebergs 2, but I thought it meant 2 seeds, but it's actually got 1,250 seeds. So yeah, whatever. Some parsnips. We could have started these a while ago, but I've just been a bit nervous because of the weather. Some more carrots, and then some cabbage. The reason I do cabbage is we have guinea pigs, and they love their cabbage. I should have got some tips about that. Right, I'll show some videos shortly of me starting this growing.
Flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in the bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining right.
So that's it from this lovely allotments update. Hope my lovelies are great. I hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you're pushing through, and this was just a little update on what I'm doing with my allotment stuff. I will be planting more now. We're getting warmer. I've got full-on snow happening at the moment, but these will be in the windowsill and the house is warm, so they will be kept warm. So if you like this video and want to see more, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell as it tells you when more videos are coming. Like and comment how you're going with your growing journey, or how your lovely day is going. Lots of love. Bye.